Welcome to Fundamentals of Project Management. In this presentation, we're going to be discussing the project environment. When we talk about project environment, we discuss the elements that are outside project management. And whenever we have a project, this project is going to be impacted by this environment in many ways or manners that are going to limit or going to put restrictions on what we can do with the project. There are two types of environments that we discuss in this course, internal and external environment. And they are represented by these lines that are part of that elements that are impacting the project at different levels. The first is the internal environment, and it means the organization. And this is the culture and the rules, the policies that are impacting and that are putting limits on project management within the capabilities of the project manager. And then there is the external environment, which is the country or the region that is also putting certain conditions and limitations of what we can do in project management. Let's understand each one of these. First, we have to understand that project management is made of three basic components. We have the processes, we have the people, and we have the tools. All of the three components are impacted by these two environments. In the first case, the internal environment, which is the environment of the organization, impacts project management in terms of its organizational policies and procedures. On the component of people, we have what organizational benefits are available, compensation, norms, and rules that deal with people management, and the tools or organizational standards available for the project. On the other element, we have in the external environment, we also have elements of components for process, which is the donor and local government requirements. On the people component, we have the local labor market and education centers available that also limit or provide the expertise needed on the project, and the tools or the local standards and infrastructure. The environment is or are conditions that limit the project as to what it can do. As a project manager needs to understand the relationship between these two environments, because there are going to be elements that he will need to manage as he moves in the implementation process. So whatever we want to do in terms of process, people, and tools available for the project, the conditions of the environment, internal and external, are factors that they need to be taken in consideration. Thank you, and I invite you now to go and see the next video.